Introduction. Social media marketing, simply explained, is using social media networks to drive website traffic, increase sales, and build your brand by connecting with your audience. You do this by creating great content, interacting with your followers, running ads, and analyzing the results. Currently, the main social media platforms include Snapchat, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Initially, social media marketing involved publishing. Businesses shared content on social media hoping to generate traffic and make sales. Today, it is more than that. Businesses now use social media in many other ways. Some of those ways include social media advertising, social media analytics, and social media listening and engagement. Before you start publishing content on your social media, you need to come up with a social media strategy. What do you want to achieve? How can you achieve your goals using social media? Your goals may be to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, boost sales, create a community, or generate engagement. Which social media platforms will work for you? Instead of trying to work with all platforms, it is better to pick a few ones. Find the ones that your target audience is likely to be on. What content will you be sharing? You could share entertaining or educating content. This will depend on your marketing persona. A consistent presence is especially important, especially for small businesses. Social media is used by about 3 billion people. Consistency increases the chance of these people discovering your business. On social media, publishing involves sharing a video, image, or blog post. It is not different from sharing using your personal account. But with a business account, the best thing to do would be to plan instead of posting spontaneously. It is also wise to consider the type of content you wish to publish, when to publish it, and the frequency. Make good use of scheduling tools. Conversations about your business will increase as your following grows on social media. People will privately message you, tag you on their posts, and engage with your content. Other times, there will be conversations about your business without your knowledge, and you must monitor those conversations. If the conversation is negative, you can correct it before it becomes a big problem. For this purpose, find a social media listing and engagement tool. It is important to know how your strategy is performing. Are you getting more positive comments? Are more people visiting your profile and interacting with your post? Social media platforms offer this information, but only on the basic level. There are other social media analytic tools that you can use for in-depth information. If you have spare funds, you can use social media advertising. The ads help you reach more people beyond your following. The advertising platforms have become so powerful, you can even choose who will see your ads. There are also advertising tools to help you manage the ads. Are you wondering what to opt for between paid and organic social media? Here is a quick answer. You may want to do both. Organic and paid social media are used for different goals. If you want to balance conversation with awareness, you should know the advantages and disadvantages of both. People are using social media platforms more during the current pandemic. Ads spend, however, is not keeping up. Social media networks have reported revenue ups and downs. Many brands have paused advertising as a moral stance or because of the economic downturn. Everything is a little complicated now, but ad prices seem to be going down. So, which way should your social media marketing strategy lean? That depends on your goals. Organic social media includes the free content that you post on your feed: stories, memes, videos, photos, and posts. When you post, the people that will see the content are some of your followers, This is your organic reach. Followers, when your followers share the post. If you use a hashtag, people who are following that hashtag. This may sound simple, but organic social media is the best way to create a connection with your audience. It should be the foundation of every business's marketing strategy. Organic social is used to offer customer service, engage customers in their buying journey, nurture relationships, establish a brand's voice and personality. Paid social media is advertising. Businesses pay money to social media platforms so their content can be shown to specific audiences. Paid social media is used to drive conversations, generate leads, promote a new product, event, etc., and raise brand awareness. Paid versus organic social media has its own pros and cons. Check them out. Organic social media pros: converts new customers, support existing customers, establish the presence of your brand. It is free. Organic social media cons: take time to get it right. Paid social media pros: reaches more people. You achieve your goals faster. You reach your target audience. Paid social media cons: you need money. Requires some level of expertise. Most social media marketing strategies use organic social to engage existing customers and paid ads to attract new ones. All promotional posts do not have to be paid. A well thought out, organic post can be just as powerful as a paid ad. Only opt for paid social if your organic social is not doing well. Promote your best organic content. If there is a post that existing customers seem to love, you can pay for new people to see it. Use A/B testing to optimize your post. Your ads should be targeted to people who look like your organic audience. Maintain a connection with your organic audience using retaining ads. Monitor your data to measure your results. This lets you know where you need to make changes. Make good use of automation.